You can order the headlight used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. Pull on the hood release handle and open the hood. Now you need to access the headlight retaining bolts. To do this, start removing the plastic cover by pulling on the 6 plastic rivets. Then, remove the cover. Using a ratchet and an 8mm socket, unscrew the 4 bolts holding the grille assembly. Then, remove it. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Then, using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 2 bolts holding the headlight. At the mudguard, use a fork to remove the plastic rivet to open the access hatch to the rear headlight retaining system. Then, push the retaining tab to unlock the headlight. You can now move the headlight aside. Disconnect the first power connector from the headlight by pressing the tab and pulling on the pod. Then, disconnect the second one by pushing the red tab and pulling on the pod. You can order the headlight used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Take the new headlight. All the bulbs are supplied with it. Reposition the headlight assembly and reconnect the headlight power connectors. Put the light back in. Tighten the 2 headlight retaining bolts. Then, lock the headlight with the retaining tab. Close the access hatch and put the rivet back in place. If you want to know which tools and parts we use in this video, just check the description and you'll find everything you need. Put the grille assembly back on and retighten the 4 bolts. Refit the plastic cover and then the 6 rivets. Operation complete.